In this video, we're going to share a simple 7 a.m. habit that has been shown to reverse age-related muscle loss and increase strength. Now, as we age, our body naturally loses muscle, which can lead to decreased physical strength, poor balance, and general feelings of fatigue and weakness. This condition, known as sarcopenia, begins as early as one's 50s and becomes more noticeable after 60. But here's the good news. Even if you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, it's never too late to take action. By making a few strategic changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can slow down the effects of sarcopenia and regain your strength and vitality. Now today, we're going to go over a simple yet powerful routine that involves starting your day with the right food, followed by gentle movement. But before we dive into the specifics of this routine, let's take a closer look at the root cause of the problem. Sarcopenia literally means the loss of muscle due to age. But there's more to the story. You see, as we grow older, our bodies go through significant hormonal changes. Levels of testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone decline, all of which play a role in maintaining muscle mass. Additionally, we often become less physically active as we age, which can accelerate muscle loss. Our immune system also weakens over time, making us more susceptible to illnesses and injuries that further hinder our recovery and overall functionality. Finally, we may not get enough protein or other essential nutrients, primarily due to reduced appetites, which can result in muscle breakdown rather than repair. Now that we understand the underlying causes, let's explore some quick wins that can make a big difference in your journey towards stronger muscles and better overall health. So grab a pen and paper, because we're about to delve into some powerful tips that will change your mornings forever. Part 1. The foundational breakfast, the 7 a.m. fuel. Did you know that what you eat first thing in the morning can significantly impact your energy levels and muscle strength? Let's start with the most important meal of the day. After an overnight fast, your muscles are in a state of breakdown. Providing them with the right nutrients within the first hour of waking can switch your body from a state of breakdown to one of repair and rebuilding. The power food, the humble black bean. Black beans are a nutritional powerhouse for muscle health, particularly for older adults. They offer a unique combination of nutrients that can help combat age-related muscle loss. Here's how they work their magic. Rich in leucine. Leucine is an essential amino acid that acts as a primary trigger for muscle protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle tissue. As mentioned earlier, aging bodies become less responsive to leucine, but incorporating black beans into your breakfast can help stimulate this process. 1 cup of cooked black beans provides approximately 40% of the recommended daily intake of leucine. Complete amino acid profile. Beans contain all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. When combined with other foods, like eggs, they form a complete protein, supplying the necessary building blocks for muscle recovery and overall bodily functions. Blood sugar stabilization. Black beans' high fiber content prevents blood sugar spikes. Stable blood sugar reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to muscle breakdown and poor recovery. High in magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and electrolyte balance. A single half-cup serving provides nearly 30% of the daily magnesium needs. It also aids in synthesizing RNA and DNA, which are essential for muscle protein synthesis. The perfect partner, eggs. Eggs are another excellent addition to a muscle-friendly breakfast. They complement black beans perfectly, creating a nutritionally complete powerhouse meal for muscle restoration. Bioavailable protein. Eggs provide high-quality protein that is easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Unlike many plant-based proteins, eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Additionally, they are rich in vitamins and minerals, like vitamin D, choline, selenium, and vitamin B12, all vital for overall health and muscle function. Nutrient-rich yolk. The egg yolk is packed with beneficial nutrients, including vitamin D, essential for bone strength and calcium absorption. Choline, vital for improving nerve-to-muscle communication, reducing fall risk. Lutein and zeaxanthin, important for eyesight and depth perception, crucial for confident movement. The ideal breakfast. To reap the full benefits, enjoy your black beans and eggs within 30 to 60 minutes of waking. This timing ensures that you provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to initiate the muscle repair process promptly. What? 1.2 cup of warm cooked black beans and 1 to 2 soft-boiled or poached eggs. When? Within 30-60 minutes of waking. How? Drizzle with olive oil and season with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric or cumin. Olive oil helps in the absorption of antioxidants from the beans and adds healthy fats to your meal. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in reducing joint pain and swelling. Part 2. Preparation and meal pairing for maximum benefit. Now that you know the ideal components of your breakfast, let's discuss preparation tips and ideal pairings to maximize its effectiveness. Preparation tips for optimal nutrient absorption and digestion. Follow these tips when preparing your black beans. Dried beans. Soaking dried black beans overnight is crucial. Here's why and how. Soak dried beans overnight in water with a pinch of baking soda or a splash of lemon juice. This helps break down complex sugars and compounds that can hinder the absorption of minerals, like calcium and iron. It also reduces the risk of digestive discomfort. After soaking, simmer the beans until soft and creamy. This gentle cooking method helps retain essential nutrients and makes the beans easier to digest. Canned beans. If using canned beans, rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove excess sodium and preservatives. These steps ensure that your body can effectively absorb the vital nutrients from the beans, including leucine, magnesium, and fiber. What to avoid? To avoid counteracting the muscle-building benefits of your breakfast, steer clear of pairing your black bean and egg meal with processed carbohydrates or sugary foods. White toast with jelly, pastries, and sugary cereals can cause blood sugar spikes that promote inflammation and muscle breakdown. Instead, opt for healthier sides or pairings that support your muscle health goals. Ideal pairings: a side of sautéed spinach or kale, a few slices of avocado, or a slice of whole grain toast. Part 3. The 10-minute activation routine. After enjoying your nutritious breakfast, it's time to engage in some gentle yet effective movements to enhance blood circulation and muscle function. This activation routine should be performed within 30 minutes of finishing your meal to optimize the delivery of nutrients to your muscles. Gentle movement immediately after eating can aid in digestion and nutrient absorption. March in place, 60 seconds. This simple exercise gets your heart rate up and increases blood flow to your muscles, aiding in the efficient distribution of nutrients. Arm circles, 30 seconds each way. By swinging your arms in circles, you're working on shoulder mobility and promoting blood circulation in your upper body. Seated leg extensions, 10 reps per leg. While seated, lift one foot slightly off the ground. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower. This targets your quadriceps and helps improve lower body strength and balance. Standing wall push-ups, 8 to 10 reps. Place your hands on a wall at shoulder height and gently push your body away from the wall. This exercise engages your chest, triceps, and shoulders, enhancing upper body strength. Side-to-side stepping, 60 seconds. Step to the left and right in small controlled movements to improve balance and coordination. This exercise also activates your inner ear's vestibular system, which contributes to your sense of spatial orientation. Neck and shoulder rolls. Gently roll your head and shoulders to release tension in your upper body, promoting relaxation and reducing muscle stiffness. Part 4. Common mistakes that hinder progress. To achieve optimal results, it's crucial to be aware of common habits that can hinder your progress towards stronger muscles and better health. We want to share some key points with you to help you avoid these pitfalls. Skipping breakfast. Many people skip breakfast, leaving a significant gap between their last meal, the evening before, and their first meal later in the day. This prolonged period without nourishment can lead to muscle breakdown due to the body's need for energy. Instead, prioritize your morning meal, ensuring that it includes a combination of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This will provide your muscles with the essential nutrients they require to stay strong and energized throughout the day. Relying on multivitamins over food. Some individuals may think that taking a multivitamin will compensate for a poor diet. However, this approach is not effective. Vitamins and minerals from food sources are always better absorbed and utilized by the body. Prioritize consuming nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods not only provide essential vitamins and minerals, but also offer a range of beneficial compounds that support overall health and well-being. Avoid processed carbohydrates. Consuming excessive amounts of processed carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and sugary drinks, can lead to blood sugar spikes and contribute to muscle breakdown. Instead, opt for complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes, which provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Long periods of sitting. Extended periods of sitting can cause muscle stiffness and reduce blood flow, affecting muscle function. Incorporate regular breaks with light stretches or short walks to keep your muscles active and promote circulation. Set reminders on your phone or computer to stand up every 30-45 minutes. Eating heavy meals late at night. Large heavy meals close to bedtime can divert energy away from muscle repair towards digestion. Try to finish your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed, allowing your body to focus on restorative processes during sleep. Underhydration. Adequate hydration is crucial for muscle strength and overall health. Drink water consistently throughout the day to maintain optimal muscle function and prevent cramps. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder and sip on it regularly. If you found this advice helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit. Your support means everything to us. Stay strong and healthy.